Every coding agent has its own way of working. We're not here to change that. But when you switch, you lose everything. Your context, your decisions, 3 days of thinking, gone. We built Relay to fix that. Relay is a memory layer for your project. Switch agents in seconds and everything carries over. Nothing gets lost. One project brain, any coding agent. Let me show you what that actually looks like. But first, the setup process takes just 3 simple steps. Start by running git clone to grab the GitHub repo. Then, cd into your repository. Finally, run npm i and an npm link to install your dependencies and link the package. Okay, let us show you how Relay works using a simple project. Let's say we're going to create a website for a hackathon called Faraway. Let's open up Copilot and just send this prompt over here. At any point of time, I can just go into any existing project and type relay init. That will create all of the memory layer needed so that Relay can pass this information to many agents. You can also ask the agent directly to sync it with Relay, and everything will automatically sync because Relay uses hooks underneath so that the agent saves Relay context every time. So you can run relay serve to open the website over here, which gives you a visual representation of your code bases, chat history, and all the edits all the agents have made. You can just open the dashboard and view all of this recent activity and a timeline view of everything. So let's go into anti-gravity now. And without any context, we're just going to ask, with Relay, what was the last edit made and which agent was used? Now, anti-gravity has no context on this, but Relay provides this memory layer. The dark theme we asked for was carried over, and you can see it's mentioned by GitHub Copilot. You can run Relay Sync anytime in the terminal or the chat to ensure your memory is up to date. And once the memory layer is updated, you can just move on and confidently work with another agent or pass it on to your teammate. Any artifacts generated by coding agents are also taken into account into Relay's memory layer. Here you can see that anti-gravity's implementation plan shows up on the dashboard immediately. Let's just quickly save the project state so we can move on. So now let's try it with Claude Code. So on Claude Code, we're going to ask the question, who were the last 2 agents who made this edit and what were the changes? Once we send this prompt, you can see it says the last decision was made by anti-gravity, which was adding a Japanese theme. Now let's quickly move on to Cursor and simply work on the same project again. Cursor pulled the context, and you can see that it acknowledges that anti-gravity and GitHub Copilot have been working on this project, and therefore it immediately knows what to do. The architecture is made to support any coding agent that pops up in the future. Relay is available as an MCP server, a universal standard all agents understand. And now, here's another cool feature. You can interact with all of these agents in a single chat. We are working on this feature, but we believe that this will be the ultimate feature that will let you ship faster without any limits and without having to spend time switching IDEs itself. This is Relay. Switch immediately and seamlessly. One project brain. Any coding agent.